How are you?
I just got back from work. I have 2 hours before Ellie gets here. It's our anniversary. I don't know what to do.
I know it's your anniversary. I know. You know what you should do? Cook her dinner. She would like that much better than taking her out.
I don't know how to cook.
You can cook. You can do this. Use my book.
Use your cookbook?
Yes, it's easy. It has all the steps. It won't be a problem.
I'll try it. You wish me luck at least?
I know you can do it, and I love you.
I love you too. Okay, alright. Bye. Wow, there's some pretty good stuff in here. That's it? That's all I gotta do? It's pretty easy. Like an hour. Let's get going. Hey Mom, so I just put the bag right in the oven, right in the pan? Of course I was kidding with you. It says right there in the instructions, take it right out of the bag. Okay, alright, I got it. Bye. That would have been bad.
Maybe it's the way she grates her cheese, or just the freckles on her knees. Maybe it's the scallions, maybe she's Italian. I can't reveal a name, but eggplant is her game.
Okay. Gotta get a selfie. Wow. Hashtag easy cooking.
And my baby cooks her eggplant about 19 different ways. Sometimes I just have it raw with me.